Hey everybody, I just wanted to welcome you all to week 12. I hope everybody had a great weekend. There's just a couple things I kind of want to go over and discuss with you all this week. So obviously if you go to content, there's going to be two things that are already open. So you're going to have your typical week 12 checklist, um, which will have this week's assignments. So you've got two. You have your discussion post and responses. And then you also need to consider your genogram project and plan, which is coming up due. But the instructions for that are in this other um, little module here. So those are the two things that you need to look at this week. The plan is due on Friday. The project's due next week. But like I said, those are the two things you need to look at. Week 12 and the genogram module. Those will contain information for things due this week and next week, but I just wanted to give you guys a little extra time on that assignment. So then obviously if you go to Dropbox, it'll show where those are due. So the genogram project is April 6th, and the genogram final document is April 13th. So if you guys have any questions on those, please email me. Let me know. So those are kind of the two big things that are kind of due coming up and kind of keep an eye on. The last thing is going to be extra credit. So there's two options for extra credit in this course that you can earn. One is SONA credits through the College of Education. You can get on there, complete studies, and they're worth various amounts depending on the time it takes to complete them. The other way to earn extra credit is a research article summary. Both of those are discussed more in depth in the syllabus, so I encourage you to look over that. The SONA system ends the Friday of Dead Week. At 5 it closes, so you have to have if you're going to do that, it has to be done before then. And the article summary is also due the week of Dead Week as well. So again, that's just something to kind of keep in mind as we kind of inch towards the end of this semester. So if you're interested in earning extra credit, I encourage you to look over those sections on the syllabus. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me on that. So that's kind of a look forward and kind of a look at this week as well. Like I said, as always, if you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.